How to redeem your Duolingo promo code. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get in. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for Duolingo login. And then move into the very first site. It will land you on this official page of Duolingo. You have to enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in the home page, what you want to do is head over to My Account at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then move into Settings. Inside Account Settings, scroll all the way down. The option of Add Invite Code will be available to you. Click on it. One interface will pop up on your screen. In this section, you simply have to enter the promo code that you have. Once you have entered the code, tap on Add Sponsor. After that, your code will be redeemed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem Duolingo promo code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.